A lot of admirers are expected, and who knows what kind of entity will be perusing the material we have here. Make sure to subscribe so you can share and comment on additional content, and let's get started with some intriguing facts today. However, let us first take a quick look at the market. Many people express their disappointment at not having access to Bitcoin, and this is widely acknowledged. We were unable to buy it since the price was too expensive. That's correct. That's most likely correct. And the 20,000 will be the lowest price ever. You won't be able to find it again. The one you're looking at today has the same price potential as Bitcoin, but it's falling all over, and that's in a Bitcoin. There it was in plain sight. In a one-year time frame, it appears to have dropped from 42,000 to 4,000. However, if you take a look at the prior year's market cap, it was 80,000 and the highest was $88,000, while the lowest was 4,300. Imagine if you had purchased at this point just a month earlier. You could have purchased it for $5,000. The price is already 13,700 if you look at this one on an hour chart. If you bought it a few months earlier for 5 cells, you could have made a treble profit in a month's time. However, if you're still holding on to this coin, I believe it will be worth at least $100,000 when the market becomes bullish and Bitcoin reaches $50,000. In reality, this would mean that you'd have to buy an altcoin. They'll give you a lot more money than you expected. That's what Yearn. Finance is actually teaching us that you can buy delivered tokens, just like Bitcoin, and make the same profit as Bitcoin and more than that. So, there you have it. That's a higher danger than Bitcoin, I agree. However, it is still more valuable and provides you with more money than a Bitcoin if you buy it. If you were to invest $24,000 today, you could earn up to $100,000 in a year, netting a profit of $75,000, which is still a respectable return. Even if you bought a year ago for $5,000, it will be worth $100,000 when it goes up in value. The profit is now $95,000. When Bitcoin is at $100,000 and Yearn Finance is at $50,000, it's absurd to think that Yearn Finance may reach $250,000 when Bitcoin is at $50,000. What about Binance's forthcoming upgrades? A network upgrade has been planned to apply the 3 new patches, as reported by Crypto Basic just a short time ago. The 3 updates appear to be related to how special accounts are established and used in the network. It was revealed that Binance Exchange would lend its full support for an update to the Terra network, as trading on Luna will be affected following a successful voting event. Along with the tweet, the exchange created a block pass to let customers know what it plans to offer. Terra and Luna were helped by it. It's been reported that Binance will not hold a Luna trade during the planned network update, which should secure block 880,000 about 0.c. Starting at roughly 22 p.m. on the 28th, Luna deposits and withdrawals will be banned. If Terra network upgrades are finished, it's expected that Binance will begin Luna withdrawals and deposits, which it would then announce to its consumers as a new first between Terra and the exchange. This is not the first time Binance has aided and abetted terrorism. Binance declared its support for Terra 2.0 a few weeks ago, and the exchange also included the fresh Luna token airdrops. So Binance is trying to help it out. It's a classic. Luna and the turtle. We'll have to wait and see what happens in the near future, but I expect it to continue supporting Terra Luna and her former labs and perhaps buy out all the tokens and burn them. Please consider subscribing. Don't forget to leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one. This has to stop.